Welcome to English with Teacher. I'm Teacher. Thank you very much for joining me today. I hope you're having a great day. So, today we will be doing some advanced English. We're going to be doing this by asking some questions and having a discussion and working on grammar, context, a little bit of pronunciation. So, first of all, like, share, subscribe, please. Leave a comment. I miss chatting with you guys. And watch the video through to the end. So next, the most important thing ever. I need my wonderful co-host to introduce herself to you. Ma'am.
Hello, teacher. Hello, everyone. I am Sim. I'm Vietnamese.
Thank you very much for joining me today, Sim. I have to set this up. My workspace is a little bit out of kilter right now. Oops. Hang on. There we go. Okay, perfect. So let's start. Do you go out in nature very much?
Yes, I often go out in nature.
Okay. Did you go out in nature when you were a child?
Yes. I would go out when I was a child.
Nice. And how often do you get out in nature now?
Yes, I go to play with my friend. Now I go out for my job.
Yes, but nature, they mean go out in the countryside, in the province.
Yes, I go out in the nature with my friend. Sometimes I have a picnic.
Picnic, nice.
Picnic, yeah.
Picnics are nice.
Yeah.
And what do you like most about nature?
I live in the mountain and I like mountain and hill.
Nice. Can you describe something beautiful that you saw when you were out in nature?
Yes, I live in the mountain, high mountain, and when I go out in the early morning, there will be a lot of clouds, and when standing on the mountain, looking down, it looks like a sea of clouds.
Nice. You're on top of the clouds?
Yes.
Oh, that must be beautiful.
Yes, the mountain height.
Very. The mountain is high.
Yes, it high, and under is clouds.
Nice, nice. How concerned are you about climate change?
Yes, about climate change, the hot.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
And does it concern you?
Yes.
Okay, why?
Because the atmosphere is hot.
Okay. Do you think there's anything we can do about pollution?
Yes, I think we need to plant more trees and keep the water in environment clean.
Very good, very good. Do you think there's anything we can do about global warming?
Yes, we can plant more, and we need to talk about everyone's make clean the world.
Make the world clean?
Yeah, yes.
Nice, nice. Do you think electric cars help the environment?
Yes, I think so.
Okay, that's interesting.
Yeah.
Why do you think people like being in nature and being outdoors?
Yes, because when we go out during the day to be exposed to sunlight, it will be very good.
Exposed.
Exposed.
Right, that's it. Okay, I'm going to ask you, man, I always ask these questions when I do this one. You know what they talk about in a high carbon atmosphere?
Yes.
Okay, what are the advantages of a high carbon atmosphere?
Yes,
That's not on your list of questions.
yeah. Yes, carbon is not good.
Why?
Because the people like oxygen.
Okay. Plants like carbon though.
Yes.
And plants grow better the more carbon in the atmosphere.
Yes.
The planet is more green now with more carbon in the atmosphere.
Yes.
So there's actually more plants growing because of the high carbon atmosphere. A lot of people don't know that because they don't talk about that.
Yeah.
But plants will grow in very dry areas like deserts if the carbon is high enough. So, just so you know, we're actually growing more plants because of the high carbon atmosphere.
Yes.
So that's important. Do you think that there's any merit to making children go outside during the day?
Yes, I think the child go outside during is very important.
Yes. Why?
Because it's very good for them, and when they go out during the day, they can exposed to sunlight.
Very good.
And, yes.
Yes.
And very good for them.
I also think children being exposed to dirt is good for them because it builds a strong immune system.
Yes.
Yes. The more bad things that they're exposed to, the tougher they get. Do you think it's important for cities to maintain parks?
Yes. Yes. I think it's important for cities to
Maintain.
maintain park.
Nice. Yes. I see people, big parks, even in Hanoi and Ho Chi Minh City. And people go there and exercise in the morning. And they really enjoy the big parks.
Yes.
And in a big city that's that congested, I'm impressed that they keep land for parks. And they don't just build everywhere to make money. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Yes, it is. Well, thank you very much. Is there anything you wanted to add?
Yes.
What?
Yes.
Is there anything that you wanted to add?
Yes. I need talking more, but I can't speak.
I need to talk more.
Yes, I need to talk more.
Yes, but you are getting better.
Yes.
The fewer corrections that I have to make, the better. It's also better if you don't prepare answers.
Yes.
And if you give longer answers. Think of this as not a question, but
Yes.
think of the question as a topic for discussion. So you can say what you think, you can ask me what I think. Okay? So don't just answer the question, engage in it. And it becomes much more, it becomes much better for you to learn how to ask questions, what questions fit, the proper words to use, everything like that.
Yes.
Okay? So the more elaborate your answers and the more back and forth we have, the better it is for you to learn.
Yes.
Don't be afraid about getting something wrong. Getting something wrong is not bad. Okay?
Yes.
Be brave. Try things, right? I say this to all my students because Vietnamese people hate to make mistakes. So, but you have to get past that and you have to try new things and you have to be brave. Okay?
Yes.
Life's an adventure. Okay. Well, thank you very much for joining me today. Excellent work. The fewer times I correct you, the better you're doing. And there was only a couple things that were mispronounced. Not quite the right form of the word. That's typical. We'll get through all that and it'll get better. So thank you. And thank you everyone at home for joining me. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you learned from it. And I hope to see you all in the next video. Have a great day.